Hi, my name is Chantel Lucier with the AtHome Experience. I'm happy to announce I'll be doing a two-part webinar series on essential reflexology techniques for better health, sponsored by the Reflexology Association of California. In this class, we're going to talk about essential reflexology techniques for feet and hands, and we're also going to be doing some advanced holds that I've been developing over the last 12 years that I find extremely beneficial for myself in my self-care and also while I'm giving to my clients. So this class is open to reflexologists and it's open to the everyday person. In my work, it's always really important when I teach that I make things extremely accessible. So if you're a reflexologist, this might be an opportunity for you to review those techniques and learn a few new ones, making certain that you're doing them correctly so you have no joint discomfort or pain in your hands while you do your work. And for the everyday person, it's an opportunity for you to really understand these techniques so that you don't have any pain in your hands, but also you can best work on yourself for self-care and for your loved ones. So this class is going to be 2 days. Friday, November 1st at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then the following day, Saturday, November 2nd at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So the Friday class, we'll do hand reflexology techniques and holds, and on Saturday, we'll do feet reflexology techniques and holds. If you're interested in joining, you just go to reflexology-ca.org. That's the Reflexology Association of California's website. And when you go to that, right on the first page, you'll be able to sign up. I look forward to seeing you, and thank you so much.